Hong Kong should be an easy vaccine success story. It has secured 22.5 million doses from Sinovac, Pfizer-BioNTech, and AstraZeneca, more than enough to inoculate a population of 7.5 million. A widely praised online booking system is in place, and an orderly vaccine rollout has been underway. But the rollout has been rough. Due to concerns over packaging problems, health officials have suspended the use of 2 batches of the European-made BioNTech vaccine distributed by Fosun Pharma. In a statement, the government said, so far, BioNTech and Fosun Pharma have no reason to believe that there is a risk to product safety. Before the suspension, vaccine hesitancy was already high. According to a University of Hong Kong study, only 50% said in January they intend to get vaccinated, much lower than elsewhere.
One of the reasons for that is actually our success in controlling COVID in the past year. We've only had 11,000 cases in 7.5 million people. That's less than 1% of people in Hong Kong have had COVID. And I think that means we don't necessarily see the risk as people in the US, as people in Europe.
Another factor behind the hesitancy? Fear. At least 8 people have died after getting the Chinese-made Sinovac vaccine, although official investigations found no direct link with the inoculations. At least 1 death of a patient who had received the BioNTech vaccine is being investigated. The fatalities have spooked many in Hong Kong, but experts insist there is no reason to be concerned.
Don't be afraid. Get vaccinated. What we've seen is there's been a lot of information. But sometimes with a lot of information in the open public, it creates a kind of analysis paralysis. And people perhaps are beginning to overthink.
Sinovac has yet to be approved by the World Health Organization. A lack of data could also be feeding public reluctance to get that shot. The government has said that the benefits outweighed the risks and has accused critics of smearing the Chinese-made vaccine. To boost confidence, Hong Kong's top leader received her first and second Sinovac injections on camera. But a quick vaccination drive may be a long shot. As of Wednesday, only 5.5% of the population has received a dose.
Hong Kong health experts say 70% of the population need to be inoculated to achieve herd immunity, paving the way for the city to relax social distancing restrictions, resume international travel, and reboot an ailing economy. But some say it may take 300 more days for the city to reach that goal.
Before the suspension, the BioNTech vaccine was taken up at a faster rate. Many of the newly inoculated shared celebratory selfies of their first jab. But these moments of relief and joy, including my own, are happening at an even slower pace as hurdles and hesitancy hamper the rollout. Kristie Lu Stout, CNN, Hong Kong.